Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Reanimal game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, you have to select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. For that, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, select network settings, then test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Reanimal update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure if there is any update available, update the game and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to clear cache of Reanimal game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on my games and apps, tap on see all. Here search for Reanimal game, then press menu. After that, select manage game and add-ons. Then tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally, tap on clear reserved space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. Now click on settings, click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next solution is to reinstall Reanimal game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Reanimal game, then press menu button. Now select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Reanimal official website and download the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.